Guys, in this episode we're going to be replacing the exterior refrigerator vent door and installing our refrigerator, so stick around.
I've already removed most of the screws. That was simple enough.
So now I'm test fitting to make sure the door fits.
Cool. Let me get a screwdriver.
With the door removed, I can now access the frame to install the screws.
I got our butyl on here. I'm going to stick this on there. It don't all come off. There it is.
Now let's move inside and put in the refrigerator.
Good insulation. Well, I need to see that refrigerator. I need to sand that too. I need to see that refrigerator. How far back? I need to leave a little gap. I want to run that cable from that antenna down this hole right here too. I'll bring it down and come over through here, come out to the entertainment center over there. There's the plug. Guess what we'll do is we need to paint this. I guess we need to get that refrigerator open. Let's open our refrigerator and set it and see the measurement. There's our refrigerator. I had one. Well, I'll show you a trick on these. If you can find the, where they're, watch this. Go on the back side of them. Find where they're connected. Flip it around. Grab the back side. Pull that little tab up and it come right off. Did you know that?
Never knew that. I bet you the
YouTube community, do they know that?
Yeah, they do now. Oh.
So, how does this work? Oh, it is bended. Look at here. Look at that. Ain't that something? Well, it's not going to be seen. Crap.
No, I didn't want to see that.
Hang on. So we unpackaged it. So how hard of a lick did it have to take to bend it like that with all that packaging on it? Well, You won't see it. Sort of aggravating. Makes me wonder how it was transported.
Delivered by FedEx, bro.
Yeah, I think it was thrown on the... So, aggravating. All that money for something that comes damaged.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, I could have bought one at the store half price. It was bent, but I'm like, well, I don't know what happened to it. All right, let's tear that out. All right, let's go. There you go. Break this out there. Yes. Yes.
That was pretty easy.
Look at there.
Like chess pieces.
This was like my...
I always want to do that.
I don't want to tear it out. I may save those for something. Maybe play chess or something.
Yeah.
All right, so this shelf's got to come out.
Get a hammer out to it.
I may have to saw it. I need to cut it. Oh, it's...
I got to stay. Yeah, I don't think.
Let me see that.
Put that
Watch
up.
this.
This saw's off. Yeah, I worked in that place.
It sounds like there's foam or something under there. Is there something?
Yeah, it's something underneath it. Damn. That's it, man. Lay it back,
Lean it
scoot
forward.
it back, and lean it forward. And
Hang on.
I'm not doing nothing.
Let it come forward. What is that crushing sound?
Do you hear it? It's a funny squeaky
Is
sound.
that the wood or is that the
Foam
foam
or
in
wood
there?
or something. That's how it's gonna sit right there.
Let's go back a little further.
Bam.
Well, you can't go too far. The door won't open. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks nice in there.
I think it's going to come out a little bit for the door to open.
No?
No? Perfect.
Blur up with some cold drinks in there.
Alright, we're going to paint where the refrigerator goes. I put a piece of plywood in down there to stiffen that up. I sealed that hole off right there. That's where the old air conditioner, the old refrigerator vented, the gas one. And there's a hole up top, which I just left a little square so the heat can go out where it's not a whole big area. But we're going to seal around this refrigerator when we put it in there. That refrigerator is going to go all the way up to about right there somewhere. And I'm going to seal that little area after I put the refrigerator in there. That'll help hold it in there. I'm going to put a board across there. That'll help keep the refrigerator in the hole, keep it from coming out. And plus we'll seal down each side. So hopefully that'll hold it in there. And plus all the heat will go out that little hole and help keep the trailer cool. That's it.
That's all that good. All good, man.
Yeah, I think that's against that plug too.
You don't like secure it in that way, you just set it?
No, I'm gonna put a board across there. I'll hold it.
That's not nice. Pretty good little spot.
Alright. As close as that is, I'll just take that long ruler and just shove insulation in there. I could have saved $15 on insulation. feel this skin. Probably should have left it on there while I was covering it up. Yeah.
I'll leave that on.
We'll leave that on there. I just want to see it on the glory.
Yeah.
Alright guys, the Magic Chef 10.1 cubic feet refrigerator has been installed. There it is. We've been using it now for about 2 months. Have had no issues with it. It's in there nice and tight. It's insulated all the way around it. There is a access to the outside vent behind it where it can get air, about 4 inches little area. But other than that, it's all insulated. We have this board up here that's removable, so we can get to our wiring if we need to. We've installed a little radio that we can Bluetooth in to listen to our music or whatever over the speakers that are in the trailer already. We've got a power port here so we can plug in and charge our phones or add accessories. But there it is. That's the refrigerator. It's nice storage, nice size. I think it's as big as the refrigerator we had on the house when we lived on the river. So there's the install. Turned out pretty nice. We paid about $500 if I remember for this refrigerator, and a RV refrigerator that's would have been about $2,000, $1,500, $2,000 depending on what kind you get. So this works great for us. The only problem we have is it is only a electric 110, 115 volt refrigerator. So if you're boondocking, that may be an issue, but we'll see what we do about that when we come to it. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Let me know if you have any questions.